Hello, let's look at this question. The area of a rectangle is given by 6x square y plus 4y square x, and the width of the rectangle is given by 2xy. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. So before we start with this, let's recall the basics. So a rectangle is a figure with four sides, with opposite sides being equal and all angles being 90 degree, right? So what is, if this is the length of the rectangle and w is the width of the rectangle, then the area of the rectangle is given by L into W, right? What about the perimeter? The perimeter of the rectangle is given by the sum of all sides of the rectangle, which is L plus W plus L plus W. So that's 2L plus 2W, or 2 into L plus W. So this is the formula for the perimeter, and this is the formula for the area, right? Area is the product of the length and width. Perimeter is twice the sum of the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay, so we'll use that, right? So area is given to be 6x square y plus 4y square x. What else is given? So that was the area. Next is the width. Width is 2xy, right? Width is, if I denote it by w, then that is 2xy. What is the question asking for? It's asking for the perimeter. We know perimeter is 2 into L plus W, right? W is already given, L is not given, right? If we find L, then we can just substitute L and W here and then perform some simplifications to get P. So the basic aim now is to find L, right? So how do we find L? For that we use the formula for area, which is A is equal to L into W. So what would L be then? A by W, right? So L is equal to area by width. That is how we'll find the length of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is given by the quotient of the area and width, right? So that is 6x square y plus 4y square x whole divided by w. W is 2xy, right? How do we simplify this? So there are two terms in the numerator and one term in the denominator. So this sum is nothing but 6x square y by 2xy plus 4y square x by 2xy, right? A plus b whole divided by c is nothing but a by c plus b by c, right? So now we'll just use laws of exponents, right? So 6 by 2 is 3, x square by x is x, right? X square by x is nothing but x square by x power 1. So x is x to the power 2 minus 1, because a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So this is nothing but x power 1, which is nothing but x. Or you could just notice that x square is x into x and x in the denominator, so x is cancelled, and hence we are left with x. Anyway, so x square by x is x, and then y and y get cancelled, right? So this whole thing simplifies to 3x plus, what about this? 4 by 2 is 2, again y square by y, so that's going to be y, x and x get cancelled. So this is the length, but we are not here to find the length, we are here to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle P is equal to 2 into L plus W. So that is 2 into L is this, right? 3x plus 2y, this was L. And what about W? W is already given in the question, right? 2xy. So that's W. Just open up the brackets, that's all. 2 into 3, 6x plus 2 into 2, 4y plus 2 into 2, 4xy, right? That is the perimeter of the rectangle. 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. The last option is the correct answer. Okay, just quickly recapping whatever we have done so far is nothing but A is given, W is given, right? The aim is to find P, right? So A is given as 6x square y plus 4y square x. W is given as 2xy. To find P, you need L and W. So how to find L? Use A is equal to LW. So L is equal to A by W. So 6x square y plus 4y square x by 2xy. Term by term division. So you get 3x plus 2y. That is L. Just substitute L and W here and use distributive law to open the brackets, right? That gives the perimeter of the rectangle. Hope this helps. Thank you.